Balambile badla imbuya ngeluthi abanamakhaya. Labanye babuya eFree State nakwaZulu Natal. Bema etitalatini njengoba bafuna umsebenti. Nanobe labanye bathola imali yesibonelelo sahulumende kepha bakhala ngekuthi ayivali konke.
This money that Mr. President said he's going to appreciate it. I think it's too small. So I think maybe he must make it 500 at least, so that we can all afford our needs and wants.
We stand in the queue every day to apply for a grant, but we are not successful. That means we are back on the street and hungry. There are no jobs. People tell us they've been hit by coronavirus. The president thinks we are kids. What he's giving us is an insult. What do I do with 350 rands? I have 6 children. I can't afford a bag of maize meal. At least 1,000 rands will do.
Sibalo sebantfu labangenamakhaya labafuna umsebenti eLimpopo senyuke kakhulu kule minyaka leyengcile.